Yay to coffee! It's 29 degrees already. It's kind of epic. Spider-Man. Hey.
Yeah.
Good morning! We just finished our breakfast and I'm just making coffee for our little trip, but I won't gonna tell you where we're going until we're gonna get there. So yeah, I kind of look like a mess. It's actually really hot. It's just 9 o'clock in the morning and it's 29 degrees already, so I'm sweating already and I feel like it's gonna be a lot hotter where we're going. We're not taking Moose today because it's gonna be a really difficult place for him to be and walk. So yeah. Oh no. Yeah, I really want to go to the gym as well when we're back, and we were saying that we're gonna go to a new Spider-Man movie in the cinema, so we kind of don't have a lot of time till movie because the movie is at 5 o'clock, so we need to be on rush. So I should probably stop talking and go and get rest because yeah. Oh, and by the way, my coffee turned out amazing again because we bought our old milk, so yay to coffee. All right, I need to get ready. Guess where we're at. We actually made it this time and it's so beautiful. It was definitely worth it driving here. Second time. Oh wow, I look like a mess. Yeah, that's just sweat mixed with my face cream probably. Ooh. Yeah, it's a bit hot today, but at least it's not raining and it's definitely a lot easier to actually climb on the rocks today. This is amazing. I feel like we've been in America, we saw a lot of different waterfalls, but this one, it's kind of epic. It's really nice, and it has the kind of a hole we can jump in, but probably I won't be jumping, but there's option. All right, I was just gonna try the water then. And if you haven't seen our first attempt to get to these waterfall holes, it's just gonna be here or here. I'm not sure which corner is it, but I'm just gonna link it in the description as well.
Yeah.
Alright, so we literally just came back. So I just changed and I'm on the way to the gym because I don't have a lot of time. I just need to fix my hair because I can't go looking like that. I'm actually really happy that we decided to go back again because it was definitely worth it. If you guys live close, definitely go because I feel like it's like 40 minutes probably from Brisbane, so it's nothing. It's nothing. Alright, so that will do the job. It doesn't look the best, but it's fine. I'm still gonna need to take a shower after I'm back. But yeah. Alright, let's go to the gym. That's gonna be my dinner. That's just leftover potatoes and chicken I made yesterday. Doesn't look the best, but well, it tastes really good. So
3 hours later,
we literally just came back home, and what I need to say, that movie was one of the best movies I ever saw. It was really kind of confusing, and we were thinking before to just wait and see it on Netflix when it comes out, but it was definitely worth it because it's an action movie, so you actually watching it in cinema you get a lot more, you know, it just looks different, you know, the quality and everything. Alright guys, so that is it for today, and for next video I actually have something different prepared. If you like this content, press like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!